Every great car begins long before it touches the road. It starts with raw steel, aluminum, and glass. Every detail is designed with precision before production begins. Massive robotic arms cut steel with pinpoint accuracy. Giant presses metal into car body panels. Each panel is formed to match the exact design specifications. Robotic welders fuse the frame together with incredible speed. Every weld is inspected to ensure structural strength. The finished frame begins its journey down the assembly line. Engines are lowered into place with mechanical precision. Every bolt is torqued to exact engineering standards.
Aligning bracket now.
Man and machine work together to bring the car to life.
Locked and secured.
Inside, skilled hands bring the interior to life. Every seam is stitched with careful attention to detail. The windshield is fitted with careful, steady precision. A flawless coat of paint gives the car its signature color. Heat lamps cure the paint into a durable, glossy finish. A final polish brings out a deep, mirror-like shine. Every system is tested to guarantee safety and performance. The finished cars are carefully prepared for shipment. Each car passes a final, thorough quality inspection. From raw steel to the open road, a masterpiece is born. Every detail reflects craftsmanship, precision, and passion. This is how a car is made. One step, one detail at a time.